Welcome to WFC Figure Creator. It's a SmackDown Live, though it's not really SmackDown. It's WFC. So yeah. So let's get into this video. Oh yeah, I've got to do the match thing. So tonight's match will be a one-on-one match. On Friday Night SmackDown, Edge goes one-on-one with Goldberg for the WFC Championship. Replay. There was the replay. Ow! What's that sound? This kid's coming from backstage. Oh, what the heck? He's putting Goldberg's head into that! Hey, no. Edge! Breaking over his head! So that match is right now. Edge walked into his arena. You think you know me. On this day, I see clearly, I see fearly. She's not even going to do his intro this time. I mean, with his hands. Looks like he's not feeling it. You know what? Goldberg can compete tonight, because I just destroyed him. So you're going to have to strip the title to me. So just give me the title right now. Give it to me. And the ref is coming down. No. There could be no way. The ref is leaving. Can't see it though. It's Goldberg. I can repeat. Let's get the match started right now. Spear. First spear. Ding, 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 ding. Bear! Edge is smiling. Edge is getting out of the ring. And he gets off. He's reaching for something. Look what Edge pulled out. And he got the table up. Goldberg is up. Edge is staring at him. And a spear! Oh no, Edge moved out of the way. Oh my, there was a chair under there. Oh my God, what is those? Oh my gosh, look at him. Goldberg's out. He landed head first on a table, on a chair. He's out. Goldberg still hasn't hit any hits on Edge. 1, 2, 3. Ding, 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 ding. Understand. I see clearly. I see feelings. Everything's broken down now. It's Edge! What the heck? That didn't even look like Edge. What the? I challenge you to a match. The lights are out. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where the heck did he go? Me too. That's my question. Wait, why are you next to me, Edge? Because I want to be. Can we just go away? No. Please? No. Okay, why am I so surprised? Edge! Well, I'm so scared because the fake one, is right next to me. I'm the real one, he's the fake one. I'm not sure about that, though. And that's all for today. Ah! You do the intro, Edge. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I'm not kidding this time. I'm not the joking one. I'm not joking, like, I'm saying not going to come. I'm not kidding. I'm actually going to come to your house. WFC's going to call Edge. I'm not kidding. Get the phone, call Edge, and then bring it to your house. So you better like and subscribe. I don't want you to get hurt by me. Understand, I see clearly, I see feeling. Oh yeah, one more thing. Bye. I'm coming for you. when I get my rematch, I'm ending your career.